Did you know that your ancestors, ascended masters, angels, beings of the most high light is literally watching you? They just be there watching you, infusing all types of energies into your field, also working with the celestial elements in times where we can really receive these energies. They are literally around you, just waiting. They spend literally eons waiting for the moment where you invite them in to participate with what is happening now. What's really happening now? Humanity's waking up. This is a whole nother era of humanity waking up. And it's different because the vast technology of the internet, its reach, is really allowing this information age thing to really take off like wildfire. Okay, they thought they was gonna put the internet out and run the world. Nah, bitch, they put the internet out and don't know what the fuck to do because they gotta find a way to control. Your ancestors, your angels, the ascended masters, God, they are literally supporting your healing. They are rooting for you. They are hoping that, yes, you do find the energy, the time, the effort to literally say, I am ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I am so ready. God, I am so ready. I am healed. Even if you don't feel healed, the point is you keep projecting it so that that moment manifests. I'm not saying be delusional. Some people say you got to be delusional. No, I call it being intentional. You're being very intentional. Everybody who has ever desired a fancy car or just a nice outfit, well, I'm pretty sure they looked at it a few times just to know, yep. Oh yeah, I'm gonna look good in that shit. Oh hell yeah, I want this car. Bitch, I'm gonna be so clean in that bit. Right? Your angels are literally saying, have that same confidence in this era moving forward. Project it out there. Yes, I am already healed. Yes, I know where I'm coming from, but I know where I'm going to. And that bit look good and I feel good. And everything is just so damn copacetic with what I intend to manifest. Everything is flowing together. How much control do you have over your mind? You understand? You can cuss somebody out and stand in conviction and feel like shit because you hurt their feelings. But you can't convince yourself otherwise that your future trajectory is dependent upon you. You need to have that same energy.